To realize one's personal legend is a person's only real obligation. This defines the theme of the book. The story The Alchemist, written by Paulo Coelho, is an inspiring novel about following your dreams. The story The Alchemist follows a boy named Santiago, a shepherd who embarks on a quest to seek out his personal legend. The story is first introduced at an abandoned church in the field of Andalusia. This setting foreshadows where the boy discovers his personal legend. Throughout the novel, Santiago faces many obstacles that test his commitment to seeking out his personal legend to the end. Santiago also meets many people who help him discover his personal legend. He first encounters a gypsy woman who tells him that a treasure awaits him at the pyramids. This reveals that the boy must travel to Egypt if he wishes to find his treasure. The second person the boy meets is an old wise king. He encourages the boy to find his personal legend and teaches him to follow omens. Omens are signs that portray good or bad. The boy sets off to find his personal legend with the wisdom the old king had given him. In the book The Alchemist, every event that happens to the boy triggers another event. The boy has a rough start to his journey. The boy is stubborn, which sets his tone of security with his old lifestyle. This only reinforces his doubt about making it to the pyramids. On his way to the pyramids, the boy learns to understand the universal language of the world and that everything can be learned from the desert. The boy gets sidetracked when he meets the love of his life, Fatima. This implies that the boy is easily blinded by love. The boy then encounters the alchemist in the desert. The alchemist leads the boy to the pyramids. Along the way, the alchemist teaches the boy about alchemy and more about the language of the world. The alchemist echoes a lot of the advice the wise king had told the boy. The boy uses his knowledge of the language of the world to help him become the wind to escape danger. This demonstrates the quote, "When you want something, all the universe conspires to help you achieve it." When the boy arrives at the pyramids, he finds out that his treasure is not there. This heightens the climax of the book. The boy finds that the treasure was at the abandoned church, where he first set off in the introduction of the story. After completing his personal legend, the boy sets off to be reunited with Fatima. It is evident that in the end, everything that happened to the boy leads him back to his true love. We thought the novel was very enjoyable to read. The author conveyed us to want to read more. The novel creates suspense when the boy was tricked by robbers and when he interpreted the bad omen of the hawks. The hawks are parallel to the war that was going on in the desert. The storyline was a little slow at the beginning, but it picked up as the story went on. My favorite part was the twist at the end, because it shows that our dreams may be hard to accomplish, but once we are on the right track, everything falls into place.